morning, everyone. Paul Bergeron here once again. It is Monday morning. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. Today I'm making a quick repair to start the week off, and I just wanted to point out something here. So, as you can see, I got my extension ladder, and there's the service to the left of that. You can kind of see there's a pipe with a wire coming out of it. Now, what I'm repairing is there was two lights on this box here. This is the newer box I'm going to be putting in. But I just wanted to point out something. So this connector right here with the screw is actually only made for indoor applications. It's a set screw connector. What you really want to be using in a situation like this is something like that, which is called a rain tight connector. It belongs outside. So what I'll be doing is taking the lock nut off of here, leaving the yellow ring, and screwing it into the bottom here. And I've already sealed up all the holes and added the ears here, so that will make this box completely weatherproof.